This is my Newfoundland longliner. It is based off, Newfoundland longliner. Tried to get most of the details I could. We'll start off up front. I have the Newfoundland longliner shape. It didn't quite go as well as I thought with the curve, but it did go pretty well. Then I have the stabilizers that come out, and these are called fish when they're in the water, but when they're in the air, they're called birds. And I can put those two up by a little pull of a string on the side of my boat. And I can also bring my stabilizers up. Pull of a string. Same thing as the other one. And back here, I have another. It's a crane to lift crab pots around, and then I have crabs. And I have one crab pot getting pulled out of the water. And to lift up the crane, it's just another spring that goes up.
Can you attach one of the crab pots so you can show us how that?
It's attached.
No, I mean like attach the crab pot to lift it up.
So if you're bringing the crab pots around the boat, you can hook it up. And on this one, I put certain strings so it goes down so far. That's the lowest. This is the medium, and then you can bring it all the way up, and it will stay there. So then I have.
I'm just gonna follow this lever back. And then where do you have that string hooked up to? Okay, that's the one. Okay.
All of them go down into the middle of the boat right here in this thing. But, all of them go down from the sting and lay down into the boat.
That's how it would be on a reel.
Well, not quite, but.
What was the difference between how you made yours and what it would be on a reel longliner?
Yeah.
That was a question.
A real longliner would just have winches that would lead up to pulleys and lift them up.
And where would the winches be housed?
Around right here.
On top, okay.
Then back here, I have little nets, and I got a few buoys to put in there. Well, it's the trawling nets if you were trawling for any fish, which would be in a real longliner. I have some diesel cans right here. I have the high buoys when you're out trawling. These are the ones that you put at the beginning of your line, and these are the ones that you put at the rest of the crab pots. And then I have smokestack, and that's it. Oh, there's one more thing. Right here, I have a storage well that goes right down into the boat.
And so what would be in that?
Crab.
And how much crab?
What?
How much crab?
Quite a bit.
Hopefully a good haul. All right. Well, thank you, Ben. You worked really hard.